In this video, we explore the best 8-inch subwoofers, highlighting the best options available for enhancing your audio experience. Whether you're looking to boost the bass in your car, home theater, or portable system, these compact yet powerful subwoofers deliver impressive sound quality without sacrificing space. Join us as we review top models, discuss their features, and help you find the perfect subwoofer to elevate your music or movie enjoyment. Let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website allaboutthebest.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Skar Audio YX-8D4 Best Budget 8-inch Subwoofer. The Skar Audio NX-8D4 packs a serious punch. After extensive testing, it's clear why this subwoofer is hailed as the best budget 8-inch option on the market. With a 4 ohm voice coil configuration and a powerful peak handling of 300 watts, those booming bass tones transform your listening experience like never before. Built with a robust pressed paper cone, this subwoofer holds up exceptionally well. Even during prolonged sessions, it maintains its performance without faltering. A temperature-resistant 2-inch copper voice coil adds to its reliability and efficiency. You enjoy high-quality sound without distortion, thanks to a flexible rubber surround that enhances excursion. Installation proves effortless with its adaptable design. Whether you choose a sealed or ported enclosure, getting this beauty setup is a breeze compared to other models. You'll appreciate the hassle-free setup. One small caveat: it may not churn out the same high bass levels as larger subwoofers. However, it makes up for that with its incredible balance and clarity. Most importantly, its price point makes this speaker a knockout choice for anyone seeking solid audio performance. Curious to see more? Check it out and elevate your sound system. Number 4. Boss Audio Systems 128 Best Cheap 8-inch Subwoofer. Looking for punchy bass on a budget? Meet the Boss Audio Systems CXX8. This 8-inch car subwoofer stands out as the best cheap option in its category, delivering impressive sound without breaking the bank. First, check out the polypropylene cone. It ensures durability and great audio quality, making your bass notes crisp and deep. Next up is the rubber surround. This resilient material handles abuse effortlessly, meaning you can turn up the volumes without fear of wear. Don't overlook the stamped basket. It effectively absorbs and transfers energy, ensuring your audio remains stable even at high intensities. Coupled with high thermal and electrical conductivity, it's built to withstand the heat created during those epic drives. Voice coils impress too. They deliver excellent performance at high temperatures while keeping weight down, maximizing efficiency. Specifications highlight a resonant frequency of 49 Hz and a sensitivity of 83 decibels, offering solid competition against pricier models. What do I love most? It's the powerful sound you receive for a fraction of the cost. While installation may require some effort, the end result is worth it. Instead of complicating things further, professional help ensures you enjoy this subwoofer's full potential. Explore the Boss Audio Systems CXX8 today for incredible audio experiences. Still looking for the perfect 8-inch subwoofers to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Planet Audio AC-8D 8-inch car subwoofer. Best mid-range 8-inch subwoofer. Get ready to boost your car's sound with the Planet Audio AC-8D 8-inch car subwoofer. After extensive testing, this subwoofer impresses across the board. It offers incredible performance, making it arguably the best mid-range 8-inch subwoofer out there. First, let's talk dimensions. At 11x11x 5.3 inches, its compact build fits well in tight spaces without sacrificing power. At just 8.4 pounds, it's lightweight, yet delivers punchy bass. Its 4 ohm impedance ensures compatibility with most amplifiers. You'll love the sensitivity rating of 87 decibels at 1 watt per 1 meter. This means you'll hear crisp sounds even at lower volumes. The 2-inch dual voice coil further enhances flexibility, allowing for dynamic sound adjustments. Foam surround provides added durability while offering a smooth response across various frequencies. Free air resonance at 39 Hz means rich bass tones that will make your car feel like a concert hall. Compared to similar models, this subwoofer stands out because of its polypropylene cone and stamped basket, which contribute to its longevity and sound quality. While the mounting depth is 4.8 inches, some users might prefer a shallower design for easier installation. Overall, this subwoofer gives you an impressive audio experience without breaking the bank. Curious to hear what this powerhouse can do in your car? Check out the Planet Audio AC8D today. Number 2, Rockville W8K6 D4 V2 8-inch subwoofer, best value 8-inch subwoofer. Looking for an impressive bass experience? The Rockville W8K6 D4 V2 8-inch subwoofer might just be your ticket to sonic bliss. This powerhouse offers an unbeatable mix of performance and value for car audio enthusiasts. First, let's dive into those jaw-dropping specs. With a peak power handling of 1,400 watts and RMS strength of 350 watts, you get a rich sound that can shake your ride. Those dual 4-ohm voice coils, made from 100% OFC copper wire, ensure efficient energy transfer, maximizing your sound experience. An ultra-stiff cone paired with thick foam surround means you can enjoy minimal distortion, making music a thrilling adventure. What truly stands out? The robust construction and smart design. A double-stacked 70-ounce magnet and cast aluminum basket provide durability that rivals pricier models. Vented holes on the T-yoke enhance heat dissipation, keeping your subwoofer cool during high-energy tunes. It's easy to install too. Rockville's custom mounting gasket secures an airtight fit. On my testing journey, I noticed a slight challenge with installation depth for compact spaces. That said, the sound quality offsets this minor hiccup. Expect crisp notes and powerful bass, even in smaller vehicles. Overall, this subwoofer delivers fantastic value without compromising on performance. If you're seeking a budget-friendly sub with serious muscle, check out the Rockville W8K6D4V2. It's an audio gem waiting to transform your listening experience. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Rockville SS8P Subwoofer, best 8-inch subwoofer overall. Looking for powerful bass? Look no further than the Rockville SS8P Subwoofer. This compact powerhouse delivers impressive 400-watt peak power, elevating your car audio experience. Deep bass transforms your tunes, making every drive more exciting. Its space-saving design fits snugly under most vehicle seats. This means you can maximize trunk space without sacrificing sound quality. Perfect for smaller cars, trucks, or SUVs, this subwoofer finds a home in tight spots where others can't. A built-in amplifier simplifies your setup. Ditch the hassle of external amps and enjoy streamlined installation. With adjustable controls for bass, phase, and gain, tuning your sound becomes effortless. You can customize your audio to match your style. Installing the Rockville SS8P proves easy. Mounting hardware and a wiring kit come right in the box. Compatibility with most audio systems makes this ideal for DIY enthusiasts. You'll appreciate the quick setup and get back to enjoying your music. Built from high-quality materials, this subwoofer stands up to rugged conditions. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance, making it a great choice for daily drivers. You can count on its longevity and resilience. What truly impresses is the sonic depth and richness this little gem brings forth. While it might not match larger models in sheer power, it shines in efficiency and practicality. Users seeking solid audio experiences in smaller vehicles will find it hard to beat this model. Eager to elevate your music experience? Check out the Rockville SS8P subwoofer today. So that wraps up our list of the best 8-inch subwoofers. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which 8-inch subwoofers you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.